Hello everybody, Multiman37 back here with another video. This time a update for the deluxe Kyoryujin featuring all the sounds of the Judenshis that I have shown you thus far. I actually had, because I had to get so many Kyoryujins, a spare Stegochi and Dorikera Judenshis, and the other two are stuck in the arm sockets. So I will be going in the order of how I will be going in numeric order, rather. So, yeah. Plus, they make some pretty cool extra sounds in the, in Kyoryujin itself. So let's go ahead and check all those out. I'm just gonna remove the sword temporarily. I don't like putting it here. I only put this part here when it's in combination with Giganto Bragio. I don't know, call me a stickler. So anyway, first up, Gabutira. My voice just cracked. That just fell. Not only did that happen, my voice cracked and the camera fell over as my voice cracked. Anyway, Gabutira. Right here, Braven. And let's insert it in here. There's one. Stegochi. So there's its extra sound effect. Next up is Dorikera. There's its extra sound effect. Now we get into the goofiness, give or take. First up is next up is Stymero, I should say, not first up. So anyway. So yeah, that sound effect was supposed to imitate hearts over the head or something like that. So, next up is Alamaris. This one's a little bit more epic, even though I don't think that's a word. Screw it. That was definitely a fire sound effect if I ever heard one. So, back into the goofiness, we have Beyondsimo. And we can give Gabutira a bigger neck. Next up is Ovirapu, and in the show, the gas would come out of this section, because originally this is supposed to be the back end of Gabutira, so, yeah. Gee, I wonder what sound's gonna come out of here. Most likely... it had to be a fart sound. Next up is Iguaranodon. So yeah, that was apparently the sound of tickling. Next up is Topiranda, which they never really used in here, so up to your imagination. Actually, hang on, that felt interrupted. Yeah. And now Kyoryujin can become flat as paper, which, considering how big in the show, that would be one big piece of paper. Next up is Gurumonite. This one's a little bit more useful, I think. And now you can hypnotize or make the person dizzy. Whatever works for you. Arcanelon. And last is Pukupator. And that is pretty much it. Alright. So those are all the sound effects that you can make with the separate Zyudenshis in Kyoryujin. And boy, do these add some pretty funky sound effects. I like it. It's pretty weird, and honestly, this is more of a reason for you to pick up Kyoryujin. So pick up yours if you can. So I will see you guys later. Take care.